And I want to introduce everybody to the newest member of the Fat Birds, Ernie B. And the B is for bird.
Bird. That's right.
Is that right, Ernie?
That's right.
Are you an official Fat Bird, Ernie?
I reckon.
Look here, fist bump for the people. Let me get it out here.
I'll turn that off.
All right, Ernie.
$1.46 and a hand, $7 and a $7 and a hand, $7 and a $3 and a hand. Do it again, howdy. Hold down. 43 to 10 and hold it in and hold on hand, 45 to 10 and 43 to 10 and hold it in and hold on hand, 45 to 10 and 30 hand, 30 we don't have on the way hand, and then on the way 31 hand, 20 pounds. 7 all in, 7 L, 8 L, you get 8 L, 9 L, 8 L, 4 L, 5 L, 11 L,
So yeah, I've been a little busy selling the four-wheelers that were for our salvage yard. You know, people are just buying whole units, and now I'm low on inventory, guys. I got one four-wheeler left. I'll show it to you, and just wanted to make this video to address the nation, you know, the Fat Bird Nation, and let everybody know what's going on here at the shop. Right now, my truck is tore up. Wheel bearing went bad on it, so I'm having to replace that. And also, a few of you have asked about the mud mower side-by-side. Now, I'll show that to you real quick. Alright guys, so let's be real quiet. Go back here, and if you look, among all that junk, see that tire and that headlight? There's a gas tank off of a lawnmower. Right back there, guys, piled underneath all this crap here. Underneath all this garbage is the mud mower side-by-side. And she's sound asleep, just waiting for us to wake her up, guys. And we will. Okay, and another little update on the poop shuttle. The sprocket came in, but the chain still has not come in. I got an 80-tooth sprocket for it, guys, and we're going to put that on just as soon as the chain arrives. And this is the last one that we have, guys, that we need to get sold. And it's that Bayou that needs rings and a tire and just needs a lot of work. And don't forget about the yellow one we still have yet to fix. That we're going to put an axle in it, some bearings, maybe work on the clutch. Just an update for my subscribers. I want everybody to stay informed on what's going on around here, guys. And we've depleted our inventory, and we're going to have to seek out some new stuff, which is always awesome. That's my favorite part, to go out, you know, find new merchandise for us to sell, and always exciting. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you are a subscriber, share these videos on your Facebook and stuff like that. Give me a thumbs up, and let's grow this channel. Let's grow the flock, and maybe eventually take over the world one day, guys. I look forward to that. We'll see you next time.
Canned beef here. Canned beef here. Canned beef here. It looks like canned beef.